Instead of programming, Pavlov designers demonstrate stimulus-response pairs to show the interface's behavior. In this example, the designer first sets the direction of the object in the left corner to say they can only move forward and backwards depending on the arrow shown on it. Next, he demonstrates a stimulus of moving a rectangle within the outer rectangle. Pavlov infers that it should only be moved within the outer rectangle, making it act like a normal slider bar. Remember, those were just graphics when we began. In response to the end user's stimulus, the system should move the car forward periodically. So the designer selects the every box on the clock, and for the response, moves the car forward a small amount. In test mode, when he moves the slider bar, the car moves faster or slower depending on how far the slider bar is moved. If it's all the way back to the start, it doesn't move at all. Next, we show the behavior of the steering wheel. The designer rotates the steering wheel. There's no condition inferred on that behavior. In response, the car is rotated. That's what the system should do in response to the end user rotating the steering wheel. Now we have a car interface. When the end user moves the slider bar, the car begins moving. He then can steer the car with the steering wheel. He could also go back and change the speed of the car using the slider bar. In this way, without programming, the designer has demonstrated the behavior of a fairly complex animated interface where acceleration is involved. With any demonstrational system, there are going to be some behaviors that cannot be inferred by the system or that are inferred incorrectly by the system. For this reason, Pavlov provides an editor similar to director's score that allows the behaviors inferred by the system to be changed. The nice thing about this editor is that the designer can see all the activity that occurs for each particular stimulus. Because of this, animated interfaces or interactive animations can be edited in a very organized manner. Thank you.